MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
I'm in Flushing, New York at the Great Bear Auto Repair Shop. This business has been in existence for more than 90 years. And for the last 30 years, a woman, Audra Fordin, has been at the helm, fixing vehicles and empowering people, especially women, with important auto knowledge.
What I love most about the business is connecting with people and helping them to be empowered and understand what they need with their car so that they can be safer on the road, they can save time, they save money, and they feel that they can actually take care of their investment that they drive around in.
Audra is proud to share her automotive expertise with her customers and employees. For the last 30 years, she has also been inspiring and training the next generation of female auto mechanics at her garage. Statistics show there are less than 4% of women auto mechanics out there. Audra has a team of 9 female employees, including Carrie Horton, who all agree just watching Audra in action is inspiring.
Like you said, there's not a lot of women in the industry, but it's empowering, to be able to teach people about vehicles, especially when they think you're the underdog and they don't think you know what you know.
Knowledge is power. That's why in 2009, Audra founded a membership-driven company called Women Ought to Know, which is primarily focused on hosting workshops to educate women about the automobile. People, especially women, can feel intimidated when going into a repair shop to get their car fixed, and Audra, you help people overcome these challenges.
I hear a lot of stories about someone who felt they got ripped off or they were taken advantage of and they didn't get a fair deal at an auto repair shop. And not every auto repair shop is taking advantage of you. I do believe that with a lack of information, then you really don't know if you're being taken advantage or not.
That's why Audra's Ought to Know workshops like this one are a valuable resource for communities.
The big takeaway for today is to make sure to maintain your vehicle early, so this way you can avoid any emergencies, especially when you're on the road. So having that maintenance check first is key.
These Women Ought to Know workshops have been so successful, Audra is now expanding her passion nationwide to reach more people. Now called Drivers Ought to Know, its core mission remains the same: provide automotive education and resources to empower people of all ages to be safe, confident, and knowledgeable drivers, passengers, and automotive consumers. So what was your favorite part about today?
I liked checking the oil, actually. It was fun, it was engaging. It was something I think you need to know when you need to deal with cars.
There's like 278,000 auto repair shops and 110 million drivers. They need to have information, and the workshops provide that. Drivers Ought to Know is a review site to find an auto shop in your area that has adopted our philosophy so that you can now vet out your auto shop and find a trusted place to go to.
Whether Audra is mentoring a female employee, teaching a workshop, or under the hood, she makes a difference daily, giving back to the automotive community that inspired her in the first place.
I feel like there's a reward, and it's more about something inside gets fulfilled by sharing this information. It's priceless.
It's great.
Great. Thank you. I'm so happy to do it.
You're doing a great job. You really are.
We're just getting started. Here comes the train now.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.